Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to set up schedules off to automate, create and clean up backup file in SQL Server. Okay, so now let's get started. And I will open the SQL Server on my PC. Okay, here. And I have a database created, name it is my working space DB. Okay. And here, in order to create a schedule off, we have to make sure the SQL Server isn't running on the PC. Okay. Here you right click on this one and click on the start button here, or you can open the services. Services.msc. Enter. You scroll down and find the SQL Server urgent service. Here, SQL Server urgent. Okay, right click on this one and select start option. Here, close this one and you back to the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio tool, and you see for now the SQL Server urgent service have been running. Okay, cool. And here, so now I will go ahead to set up the job to backup the database for my working space DB here. Okay, basically I will backup it daily, and after some time I will set up another cleanup job to clear the older database backup file. Okay, because when we create some backup file, we need to set up some another we need to set up another job to clean up the older file in the folder, because if we didn't delete the older file, so the folder will be bigger, and the capacity of this on the server is not enough to store the new backup file. Okay, so here I will open the folder in my C drive. Okay, I will name it delete this one. I will create new folder and I will name it my database repo. Okay, and now I will go ahead to create a job to do the backup first. Okay, here we have a management folder. Open this one and we have maintenance plan. It's empty for now, and you right click on maintenance plan and select the maintenance plan devices. Okay, next, and I will name it. Enter the name for this plan. I will how to make backup my working space DB. Okay, you can enter the description for this plan. This is a plan to automate backup file DB file for. Okay, and left everything by default. You click on next button here to go to another step. Okay, here on this step you have to select the maintenance task you want to be executed. Okay, here I will select the option backup database in full. Okay, select this one and I click on next button here to go to next step. Okay, left it by default and next. Okay, on this step we have to select some the information to do the configuration. So firstly, we need to select the database you want to be you want to be backup. Okay, click on drop down button here and you go to the database, and here I have my working space DB. Okay, if you have some other DB, you can do it the backup at the same time by select multiple option here. Okay, you click on OK button to do the confirmation. Yeah, so here left other one by default. Go to the destination folder Okay, I go to the create a backup file for every database. Here I will be select the folder I want to be store the backup file. Okay, click on button here. Go to the location you want to be save the file. I will select the my database. Oh, database. Sorry, I'll let the name. It is typo. My database. Okay. Repo. Okay. And here the backup file extension will be BAK. Click on next button, or for the go to the option here. Okay, I will keep it by default. Next. Yeah. So this is the option. You want to be write the report to a log file, to text file. You can select this option. Otherwise, you can uncheck this one. Okay. Next. Okay. Finish. It will do some the execution. Okay, close this one. And here, after you create the plan is successfully, it will automatically create the plan underneath of the maintenance plan folder. Okay. And here in the SQL Server Agent, you open this one, and in the job here, it will automatically create a subplan underneath of the job folder. Automate backup my working space db dot subplan underscore 1. Okay. So here I will double click on this maintenance plan to do some edit. Okay. And here this is the name of the plan, and this is the description of the plan. And here for subplan, you take a look into the schedule column here, and you click on this button here. It will open the job schedule setup. Okay, left this one by default, this one by default recurrings. Okay, and in the frequency section we have the occur. You will select that I will backup the database in daily, so I will select the daily. You can do it weekly, monthly, okay, as well, daily. Okay, it is 1 day, and it occurs one time at when. Okay, so here I will do it at the midnight. Okay, and for the duration, this is a start date. Okay, and you can also update the end date. And here in this video, I will select the option no end date. Okay, and after that I will click on OK button. Okay, and you want to do some edit for this step for the execution, you can double click on this one here, open this one, destination option. Okay, so after that you have to save the updated. Okay, cool. I will close this one, and here I back to the content tree in the object explorer. So here I will open the folder, you save the backup file. Yeah, so now because you have the setup the schedule, and you need to wait until the setup time for the job will be executing, and after that when the execution of the job is done, you will be have the backup file in this folder. Okay, we have another way. You want to do some trigger to execute the job right now. You back to the SQL Server Management Studio tool, and here you right click on the maintenance plan, and it have the execute option. You click on this one. Yeah. After that, it will trigger to execute the job immediately. Okay. When you see the status is success, that means you have just do the execution for the job successfully. Close this one. I will back to the folder. Yeah. So you see here, after you do some execution, the backup file have been created for the database. Okay, the name of this file will be combined by the name of database, the date and time here. Okay, I will execute one more time. Okay, very good. So now it should be have 2 backup file. Okay, cool. Very good. One more time, please. Okay. Okay, 3 file. Okay. So now here, for example, after you set up the schedule job for a backup job in the database, if you do it in a longer time, so we have a lot of the backup file in this folder. Yeah. So to reduce the size of this folder, yeah, you should delete some of the older file. Okay. So here we have a way you can open this folder and delete the older file by manually. But we have another way to set automate job to do some of the older file in the specific time. Okay, so now how to do it? Okay, you back to the MySQL Server Management Studio tool, and we need to create another maintenance plan job to clean up the older file. Okay, here you right click on the maintenance plan folder. Use the same, you select the maintenance plan in wizards option. Yeah, next. So here I will enter the name is automate clean up my working space DB. Okay, so here enter the description for this one. Clean up order that backup file. Okay, so here click on next button, and here in this maintenance task option, instead of select the backup database file in full, you should select the maintenance cleanup task. Okay, the maintenance cleanup task remove file left over from executing a maintenance plan. Okay, click on next button here to go to the next step. Next again. Here. So here in this define maintenance cleanup task here, you need to do some of the configuration for the job. Okay. Here the first one you should be select the backup file. Here. So backup file should be, so select this option. It will delete the BAK file in the backup folder. Otherwise, when you select the maintenance plan text reports, it will delete the report in the plain text for you. Okay. So here you have to specify the file location you want to be deleted. I will select the delete specific file. Here. You want to delete it in specific file. Otherwise, you can select the folder and delete file beyond the extension. Here. So here you can select it. You can delete the multiple file beyond the extension of this file in the specified folder. Okay, I will select the my database repo. Okay. Okay, button. Cool. So here we have our option is file X. Okay, it depending. So here we have a lot of options here. It will be delete the file with the order. The timeline is by default it is 4 weeks. Okay, you can select the 4 days, the 4 hours, or something like that. Okay, basically you will select the option is weekly. Yeah. So after you finish a week, you should delete the older file of the previous week. And when we come to the new week, we will do the create job for a new file in the folder. Okay. So here I will select the option 1 week. Next. here you can do the you can write a report to a text file. Okay, I will select this option and select the folder you want to be store the report. Next, you can also do the configuration to send the email to notify the job execution status. Click on next button here. We need to execute the job. Okay, cool. Close this one, and you see here a new maintenance plan has been created for the cleanup of the backup file of database. The same in the underneath of the SQL Server Agent, and in the job folder we have a new automate cleanup my booking space DB subplan has been created. Okay, you can open this one, do the modify or double click on this to do it. Schedule. Yeah. So here you can select the frequency. I will do it weekly. Okay, weekly at the Sunday. Okay, Sunday. I will execute this one in the midnight before we do the backup. And because in the previous job we set up the execution time is 12 a.m. Okay, and now I will set this one is 11:55 p.m. before 5 minutes of the backup job. Okay, duration we start the start date and end date, and here I will select the no end date. Click on OK button. Okay, save it up. Cool. And now the job has been set successfully. Okay, so here back to this folder, and you see in this folder for now we have 3 backup files. Okay, I will execute this one. Execute. Here, success. So here I will close this one, and for now I back to this folder. And of course, if the job is running successfully, we should all of the file in this folder will be deleted. Oh no. Okay, because here we set the execution job to delete the file with the time created before 1 week. So now here, because this backup file we have just created some previous minutes ago, so now we cannot delete it. I will back to the open this one, and I will open the maintenance job. No. We have a subplan. Open subplan. Okay. How come? Let me see. Automate cleanup. Okay. Automate cleanup job. Let me open. Modify. Yeah, you will update the file at. So now if you want to delete the file here, I will uncheck this option here. So when you uncheck this option, we have some warning. Our file has not been specified. In this configuration, this task will be delete all file of the type specified less of 8. Okay, that means okay, save this one first. That means after you execute, all of the backup file in this folder will be deleted. Okay, let's try. I will select this one, right click on this one and execute it. Yeah, succeed. Close this one and back to the folder. Here, all of the backup file have been deleted. Very good. Okay, so now here I will back to this SQL Server management tool, and I will run the backup job again. Execute this one. Here, one file. Execute it again. Okay, 2 file. Okay, and the last one I will execute the cleanup job. Okay, here, so all the backup file have been deleted. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to set up an automate job to backup a database in the SQL Server. And after that, you also know how to set up another job to clean up the older file in the database by specific time in beyond the purpose of the project. Okay, I think that's all for today. Let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later. Thank you for watching.